Dear students, today our topic is decimal representation of rational number. That is, our topic is decimal representation of rational number. In previous, we can define what is rational number. That is, those number which can be written in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0, is called rational number. And now today our topic is how we have to represent a rational number in decimal form. That is, here that is decimal expression is of two types. ठीक है, okay? Decimal expression, that is, it is of two types. First, that is terminating decimal. First, that is terminating decimal, okay? And second, which is repeating or recurring decimal. Second one, that is repeating or recurring decimal. First, what is terminating decimal? That is now the definition of terminating decimal is, एक तो सबसे बड़ी चीज़ क्या होती है इसमें कि अगर किसी भी फ्रैक्शन को डिवाइड किया जाए और उसका रिमाइंडर 0 आ जाए, दैट इज़ टर्मिनेटिंग. एंड बाय डेफिनीशन ए डेसिमल, कोई भी डेसिमल दैट ends after a finite number of digit is called decimal, is called terminating डेसिमल. ओके, यानी कि कोई भी डेसिमल जिसका इंड क्या होता है आफ्टर ए फाइनाइट नंबर ऑफ डिजिट इज कॉल्ड टर्मिनेटिंग डेसिमल. सपोज दैट इज वी कैन सॉल्व एग्जाम्पल. नाउ वी हैव टू दिस, दैट इज लेट अस सपोज 5/8. नाउ डिवाइड 8, that is denominator, 5 numerator. So we have to divide 8 into 5, that is first. इसमें भाग डिवाइड नहीं जाएगा तो सबसे पहले डेसिमल उतारेंगे, 0 1 पढ़ाएंगे. 8 6 जा 48, that is 2. अगेन वी 0 लेंगे, 8 2 जा 16 and 4. now we can write 0, that is 8 5 ja 40. now here remainder is 0, so it is called terminating decimal. Okay, and another definition of this terminating decimal are a rational number in the form of rational number. A rational number a rational number p by q is expressible as a terminating decimal when the prime factor of q, that is denominator, is only 2 or only 5 or 2 and 5 both. That is, now let us take example. Suppose we can take 5 by 8 here, that is 5 upon 2 into 2 into 2. Its denominator is only the factor of 2, so it is terminating. ओके देखिए इसको क्या है, 5 into 5, 5 upon 2 into 2 into 2, that is the factor of 8. So its denominator is only the factor of 2, so it is also called terminating decimal. Again, secondly, that is suppose we can take 13 upon 25. Now the factor is 13 upon denominator, that is 5 into 5, that is it. The denominator is the only factor 5, so it is also terminating. And third one is, suppose we can take that is 7 upon 20. Now the factor of 20 is 20, that is denominator. Factor is 2 into 2 into 5. Here this is the factor of both 2 and 5. That is the factor of 20 is, that is 2 2 ja 4, 4 5 ja 20. So its denominator is factor of both 2 and 5. That is, denominator is only factor of 2, so it is also terminating. Denominator is factor of only 5, so it is also terminating. And denominator is the factor of only 2 and 5 both, so it is also terminating. But if otherwise, if denominator is the factor of that is other than 2 or 5, so it will be repeating or recurring decimal. Now that is the definition of repeating and recurring decimal. That is here. Look that a decimal in which a digit or a set of digit is repeated periodically is called a repeating or recurring decimal. Okay, means that is. Now let us take an example. Suppose we can take 1 by 3. Okay, now divide 3, that is 1. Now take decimal, 0 लिया, 3 3 जा 9. Now 1 is remainder, again take 0, 3 3 ja 9, again 1. So it can also be written as 0.3 bar. Okay, look here, that is after one decimal 3 is repeated periodically, so it has period 1. इसका पीरियड कितना हो गया 1. इट मीन्स इसका पीरियड कितना हो गया है, क्योंकि ये कहीं नंबर बार बार रिपीट करता है. अगर 2 नंबर बार बार रिपीट करता है, दैट इज इट हैज period 2. Now suppose again we can take An example of that is, suppose second example is 1 by 7. Now first divide 7 divided by 1. Take the decimal. 0, 7 1 ja 7, 3, that is also 0, 7 4 ja 28. Now we can write 2, 0, 7 2 ja 14, 6, 0, 7 8 ja 56. Here 4, 0, 7 5 ja 35. Now that is 5, 0, 7 7 ja 49. Here that is 1. Also remember, this is was also, so it can be repeated periodically, that is 0.142857 bar. It means its period is, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. After decimal 6 digit, that is, so it can be, its period is 6. Clear? So again we can repeat terminating decimal. A decimal that ends after a finite number of digit is called terminating. R we can also define is, that is those rational numbers whose denominator is the factor of 2, only 2, or 5, or both 2 and 5 is known as terminating. And repeating a recurring decimal, that is a decimal number in which a digit or a set of digits is repeated periodically, is called repeating or recurring decimal. Or those denominator whose factor is other than 2 and whose denominator is the factor of other than 2 and 5. It can also be written, that is 1 by 3, which is also a rational number. Now divided 1 by 3, it can be written 0.33 dot dot. Now repeat 3 can be repeated after so many times of, so it can written as 0.3 bar. It is also, this type of fraction is known as vulgar fraction, and its period is, that is 1. Why 1? Because one number is repeated continuously, and if in 1 by 7 there are 6 number is repeated continuously, so its period is 6. Okay, chaliye, thank you.